Hi everybody, it's phonics time. We are going to learn the letter L today. Can you say L with me? Great job! There is big L and small L. Can you say L again? Now you know what the sound looks like. Do you know of any words that have the letter L in them? Let's take a look. There are log, lamp, lemon, lick, and lollipop. Very good. Now are you guys ready? And see if you can spot any of these words in the video? I know I can. Let's get ready. On the beach under the great hot sun, what can you do? You can go swimming, of course, but you can also lick a lollipop or ice cream. Can you say lick? Great job! And this is a lollipop. Can you say lollipop? Well done. And also, there is a log on the beach. Say log. Fantastic. And at home, you can find some lemons. Lemon. Very good. Can you point to the lemon? And at night, you can turn on your lamp. Lamp. Now you know a lot of words that have the letter L. Can you say the sound again? L. I think you guys are awesome. Now you know the sound of the letter L and all the words that have L in them. Great job, everybody!